Today, I'm going to show you how to disconnect your Instagram account from Facebook. Whether you're looking to separate your accounts or just want to adjust your privacy settings, this guide will walk you through the process. So let's get started. First things first, open the Instagram app, go to your profile, tap on the three bars to open settings. In the settings menu, tap on account. Look for the linked accounts or social networks. Here you can see sharing across profiles. Here you can find your account where your Facebook account is linked. So if you want to remove that Facebook account, simply tap on it and click remove. You will see an option to unlink account or disconnect. Tap on that to start the process of disconnecting your Instagram from Facebook. You might be asked to confirm your choice. If prompted, confirm that you want to unlink your Facebook account. And that's it. Disconnecting your Instagram from Facebook is simple and quick with the steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.